Hey guys, this is your boy RS Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to download Windroy Android system on your PC. So let's get started by going to File Hippo. So here you're going to type in File Hippo. Go ahead and click on that. So here now guys, you're going to go to your search box up the top right hand corner there, and there you're going to write in Windroy. So after you write in that, you go ahead and search. So there at the bottom you will see Windroy 0.5.5. so you go ahead and download that. I'm not going to go ahead and download it because I already have downloaded this, so I'm going to go ahead and just install. So here now guys, you're going to go to your folder there and go to your downloads. So there you will see Windroy, and you're going to go ahead and right click on it and run as administrator. And that will be finishing there. So after now you go ahead and select next and finish. So you know guys, we are just going to go ahead and start up our Windroy there. So you go ahead and open that. So that is starting now. So that's it guys. This is your Android now on your PC. So please dare to like and subscribe for more, and I will catch you in the next video.